Hi guys, and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a website using Weebly.com. Before we get into that, if you go to the VLE and then go to Media Studies, you scroll down, and then if you go to the Technical Support folder and then scroll down again, in this folder, Barney's Tutorials, open that one up. And then you will see down here there is a step-by-step PowerPoint on how to create a website using Weebly.com. That's an option for you if you prefer to work slide to slide as opposed to watching a video. Then go to the VLE, open that up, and then have that alongside your browser, and you can start working on it that way. Okay, so let's get started. I have already created a site using Weebly.com, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to approach this as if I'm in the same position as you, where I've just come across this and I need to start to create a website. So when we go on there, this welcome page tends to change a lot, but at the moment this is how it looks. And then you get started buttons here and over here. So let's get started. So I'm going to click on one of these, and then this page will come up. So you need to put in your first name, your last name, an email. This can be a college email or a personal email, and then a password, and then you need to select country. So at the top there, GB, United Kingdom, select that. When this is all been completed, click on sign up for free. Okay, so we have two options here. We can either just create a website, so I just need a website, or I need a website with an online store. We don't need an online store for these purposes, so I'm going to click on I just need a website. So next we're going to be asked to select a theme. Now along the top here there are different categories, and each of these is a theme. Think of them as templates. Now these can be changed at any point, so you can pick one of these, and then if you decide you want to change the theme, you can do so, and you can even do that after you've already added content. You won't lose the content of your website, but all the background and the text and the feel of your website will change without losing any of your work. I'm going to select Creative Ambitions one down here. So if I click on that, this is how it looks without me touching it. So this is the template that I've selected. So this is the sort of format that I'll be working with to begin with. When we're ready, we will click on Start Editing. Okay guys, so we've created our account on Weebly.com. We've selected our template, and we're now in a position to start editing our brand new website. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.